Hey, thanks for watching today. This clip is about food sensitivities. It's how our body responds to food. There's a lot of factors that play a role in that. And when you do a test, you get back this really neat picture. And as you can tell that these two people are not reacting the same. This is just page 1 of either 3 or 4 pages of food that indicate how your inflammatory response is, or how your body is responding immunologically to foods. And what happens is the blood is drawn. It's a very simple kit. If you come to the office, we'll draw it like with standard tubes. If you prefer, we can mail it to you. It comes in a kit. And I just want to show you what's in the kit because it's very easy, whether it's for adult or child. And remember, foods can affect a lot of people in a lot of ways, and it's not the same for every person. And it's a simple little finger prick that really, for the average person, it's not going to hurt very much. There's a little needle. You take the top off, you pop it on your finger, and then you have what's called a blood spot. And you just drip, basically, I'm trying to hold this up to the camera, you drip the blood into these little pictures, and you're going to mail it off. We walk you through it a lot slower than that, obviously. But I want you to see how simple it is. And when these reports come back, what's amazing is I could have never told these people what their sensitivities are and what food is right for them or good for them. And neither can you. Most people, though, can do a great elimination approach to food, take things out of their diet for a period of time, and then add them back in carefully and pay attention to how their body feels. But that means, how does your head feel? How does your throat feel? How does your sinuses feel? How does your stomach? Gas, bloating, indigestion, heartburn, loose stool, constipation, joint pain, back pain. There's all kinds of things that the body can feel. And if you're good at paying attention, it's a great way to determine which foods might be better serving you better, and which foods might be causing discomfort, pain, inflammation, whatever. Often, though, it's a combination of eating a food maybe Monday, and then 2 days later, and then a couple days later, and all of a sudden there's a problem that you don't get to see. And that's kind of where the food sensitivity lab test plays a really big role in helping people identify if their brain is having symptoms of ADHD they're just not able to focus and concentrate. It could be food related. Migraines can be food related. All the things I listed earlier. Your discomfort could be food and beverage related, because it's how our body processes and uses those nutrients that's going to indicate whether something is good for me or bad for me. Because really, let's face it, except for chemicals, preservatives, food dyes, all kinds of other things that are not man-made and natural, most food technically should be good for us. But just because apricots are good for one person doesn't mean they're going to be good for somebody else. And it's rare, I will point this out, that somebody doesn't come back with at least a couple things in the red, which is this section way over here. But this is a lot of inflammation for this person, a lot less for this person. But these couple of things on this page could be foods that this person's eating, or by the way, they were every single day. And that person is therefore not going to see the results that they're looking for in trying to get healthy and well. When you're trying to lose weight or get rid of a discomfort or move better so you can exercise more, and you have this nagging challenge, it won't go away, including like, oh my God, I'm eating so well and I can't lose weight. That's just one of many tools that we offer that you might want to consider. And again, we can mail it to you if you prefer. Send it to you through the mail. You can mail it in, and then we do a follow-up phone consult. Prefer to meet people in the office, but not everybody's local, and we're happy to work with anybody and everybody. We just want to help people get well, get fit, get strong, and just be healthy overall. So thank you for paying attention to yourself and for tuning in with us, and see you next time.